Today I'm at myddfai. It's stuck between a village and a town in Carmarthenshire. Now there is a little mound over there, so we're going to see what this sign actually says, and I think this is absolutely great. So what we do, we line that up, right, and in the distance there's actually a mound, so that's good. We've got the siarad Cymraeg and the English. So Castle Waunberllan, and a myddfai mystery. Now again, so what we're going to do that, and we're going to go, if we position that properly on where the mound is, right there, it says look across the field and you will see a low grassy mound. This is Castell Waunberllan. Opinions vary as to what it may be. Now, an archaeologist, as I am still, even though gone into acting, a Roman practice camp, will knock that one out the water. A Norman Motte and Bailey, well, now come on, they can't all be Motte and Bailey, so we'll forget about that one. The balance of opinion is that it was probably the site of a moated medieval homestead or small manor house, which would probably be typical in about the 1200s. Now, it does give that date in a few moments. So what was a moated homestead? Moated sites were usually prestigious aristocratic residences. Having a moat around your house and outbuildings was a major status symbol in medieval times. So what we're going to do, we're going to go back out now and have a look at that. Looking over there. There it is, there, sort of there. So as I read the rest of it, who lived there? We don't know who lived there, typical, but they must have been important in the 1200s through Allon and his sons were physicians to Rhys Grieg, Lord of Dynevor Castle. That's another video that I did a while ago. Lord Rhys granted them land here and they became the first of the famous physicians of myddfai. Now, Lord Rhys, Rhys Grieg, built a brilliant tower at Dynevor, and that would have been the kingdom of Deheubarth. Castell Waunberllan dates from around that time, so was probably well known to the physicians. Could they even have lived there? Interesting. And again, it's sort of, if we go back again, it sort of says, so if we get this right, it says stand about 1.5 meters from this panel, line up the trees outlined of the drawings with the landscape beyond to get an impression of how Castell Waunberllan may have looked about 800 years ago. And I think that's absolutely brilliant. I love the effort that they've actually made with this. So again, Brecon Beacons National Park Authority and Sustainable Development Fund. So that's good. I'm really pleased about this. And they've actually made a nice effort with this area. Anyway, this is Karl-James Langford. I wanted to do this little video for you. Another place in Carmarthenshire. And let's see if we can do a part 2. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you.